Hello friends, my name is Mohammad Hafiz Wasim and today I will show you some science trick with some magic. For that we need some vegetable oil, an empty glass, a glass of water, some food color and gas tablet. Now I am going to start. First of all, pour the oil in the glass. Now add some water in it. As you can see, the oil came up. Now I am going to add some food color. Some more. As you can see, it looks amazing. Now I am going to do the magic. Slowly it is looking like a boiling lava. See? Look. See, it is looking amazing. How beautifully it is looking. Do try this trick at your home. Bye bye.